Today I am going to talk about very common problem about society. This is called mob lynching. First, we should understand what is mob lynching. Mob lynching is a process where crowd used to beat people, one people because of municipal power. Sometimes we know that thieves steal something from shops and around the people beat him, and sometimes he got dead because of misinformation. We should not take their action because of some rules or regulation in our country. We should not lead anyone for misleading act. We should complain about this. Sometimes communal harmony is also distracted by these things. Sometimes we know that the doctor, if a doctor getting and even treatment that sometimes and the person get dead, people used to throw stone and pelters on their hospital. This is very big problem of our country. If we want to eradicate, we should learn how to manage about how can we live in a society with a very gratitude and facts. So we can, if are anyone doing these things, he should be in jail and police also arrested who did this type of work.
Okay, Harsh, you will start. First, you will introduce yourself. Thereafter, you will start.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon to all of my GD friends. My name is Harsh. My father's name is Mr. Ramcharan Prajapati. I belong to UP at Kanpur. I have completed my 10th with 87% marks and 12th with 88% marks from UP Board. Recently, I have completed my graduation from CAJM University Kanpur Nagar. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies, and reading newspaper. My strength point is that I am self-motivated and laborious boy. I want to join Indian Air Force because there is no discrimination based on caste, color, and religion. Now I would like to come to my topic. Today the topic given to us is rural development. We are living in 21st century, as we know. The development of the villages is very necessary for the upcoming future of villagers. If we talk about rural development, our government is doing many works like our government established a government hospital to develop a village, and our government make roads and drains to develop a village, and our government doing many kinds of village, as we have seen that our honorable prime minister started campaign to adopt a village. This is very beneficial for the villagers. The condition of the villagers will be very good, and the condition of the villager will be improved day by day, as we have seen that many kinds of villagers are not using mobile phone. After the campaign of Digital India, they are using mobile phone and they get knowledge through the mobile phone. According to me, rural development of the villages is very necessary for the upcoming future of villages.
Okay. Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ritik Sachan. I am from Bhattampur, Kanpur Nagar. I have pursued my 12th from MDB Alumni College. Now I am pursuing a Bachelor of Science from Janta Mahavidyalaya. My father name is Ritik Sachan. My hobbies are singing song, dancing, and playing outdoor game. I want to join the Indian Air Force because Air Force settled my life very earlier and I give an adventurous life to me and I equal to the all sector wise. Now I am going to speak about the very obvious activity of our society, and that is women feticide. I think it is a very bad for our society. Firstly, we should understand what is it. Women feticide is when the any parents know that they, in the that they see in a stomach a वो girl have a girl it is exist in a stomach. I think it is when they died they killed by the doctors, and that I think this is a very bad for society. In this time we are seeing that our government doing a lot of things, and also government banned this activity. And as you know that in the January 2020 government launched a act that a woman can abort their child without knowing what is it. I think it is good because if a woman is not wanting, they can she can abort. But if you are saying that she is a girl, I think this is very bad for our society. And in this time, we are seeing that index of our India, girls and boys, girls is decreasing day by day, and that's the reason in the conservative ideas increasing in the backward areas, and girls is decreasing. And just because of it, many of the parents don't want girls. And as we know that if you want to grow our India, I think if you want to grow our India, we should be increased and we should be aware to that parent that girls is also capable to do a lot of things and to grow our life. And great person said that if you want to throw our country, we should the both and should be the equal manner. In girl and boys will be do the same manner and will walk in the same path, then our country will be grow.
Jai Hind, gentlemen. As far as my introduction is concerned, my name is Balram Dubey. I hail from Kanpur. I was born and brought up in Kanpur, which is famous for leather industry. I tell about my education. In 2018, I have completed my 12th with 82% marks. Now I am pursuing for BSc and also doing for Indian Air Force. I tell about my family background. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. We are four siblings. My hobbies are playing cricket and rising early in the morning. The positive and personality are that I am good learner, diligent and smart worker. To become the part of Indian Air Force has been a dream of my life since my childhood. To accomplish this dream as well as to support my family, I want to join Indian Air Force. Today we are here to discuss about the topic high fuel prices. And as we know that India have a lot of problems, and the problem of high fuel prices is over serious because the population of India is increasing and day very rapidly, and and we are living in 21st century. It is a era of technology, and all the people are want a glamorous life. That's why they want. That's why the demand of vehicles are increasing day by day, and most of the people where he want to get they think that they have to go for they have to go with the use of electronic machines as cars and other facilities. So and so the problem of exporting high fuel prices is getting serious, and we bought a lot of oils from the other cities, other countries as Saudi Arabia, and that is why the prices are increasing day by day.
You know, yes.
Good afternoon, sir, and all of my friends. My name is Suyas Rao. I'm 17 years old. I born and brought up in my village, Hidmarpur, district Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my 10 plus 2 from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. In current, I am doing graduation with the Kanpur University. My parents teaches us squadril manner. I am positive and hard worker. I am good learner and listener. My hobbies are reading historical knowledgeable books which give me new knowledge and experience. I like to play outdoor games like cricket and football. Friends, the topic given to me for the discussion is terrorism. At first, we should understand what is terrorism. Terrorism is a small group of people to fulfill their demand. They can do everything. They increase the violence to the innocent people. They spread the terror in the among the innocent people. And terrorism, the problem of terrorism increase day by day in our country, and it is increasing day by day. And it is only the result of narrow mind of our leaders and misguide of some people. There are some person in our country who misguide the youth because these all youth are unemployment and they wants to be work, and this is main reason they go in the wrong way. And the terrorism attack, we cannot forget the accident of 26/11 in the Mumbai. It that day was the devil of our country. But I am saying that our government doing lots of work, and that the result is that terrorism decreasing in our country day by day.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Shadab Ahmed from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. My father, Mr. Mehdi Hassan, is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. Uh, if I talk about my qualification, I have completed in plus 2 from UP board with 35% marks and now pursuing graduation. My hobbies are playing cricket and watching movies. In spare time, I read motivational books as Wings of Fire and Vikas Helpful. my ambition to join Indian Air Force as an air warrior because it is my parents' dream. Today's topic is solar energy. As all we know, solar energy is natural energy which we get from the sun. It is renewable energy. Nowadays, the craze of solar energy is increasing. The first solar power is established in our country, Gujarat. Our government are also doing many work, and I think it is very good for us because it's use of solar energy. There is no pollution. For this, it is good, and there are many type of places where there is no excess of electricity, and here we can use solar energy. I think this is good. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Ankesh Dan and I am 19 years old. I was born in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, from where I have done my graduation. If I talk about my family, my father is an electrician and my mother is tailor. My hobbies are playing outdoor games like cricket and badminton. In my free time, I usually make drawings and sketches. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's a job full of adventure, pride, and satisfaction. And also, I want to improve the financial condition of my family. So these are some reasons. That's why I want to join Air Force. Now, I like come on my topic. And that is about freedom of speech. India is a democratic country, and in our constitution, Article 19 and subclause 1 has said that everybody has the right to speak and express their thinking, and it's right that everyone should have right to express what they want to say. But nowadays, government make many scheme and they didn't negotiate with the people. That is a bad thing, and government should think about it, that everybody it's the right of everybody that the scheme going government is making the schemes and they are aware about that.
Very good. Okay, Aryan.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aryan Sachan. I am from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. My district Kanpur is famous for the Manchester of North India. I have completed my integration from Pipur, Prayagraj. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and listening. I am physically fit and mentally sound. I easily adjust with all kinds of environment. I am cheerful and cooperative by the nature. Indian Air Force is the most respected job in our society, and it's no reservation and no discrimination based on color, caste, religion, and selection purely on merit basis. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to touch the sky with glory. We gather here for the group discussion. So I come to the topic. The topic is impact of plastic in our life. We all know that plastic is very bad for us because when I burn plastic, it produces a lot of carbon monoxide and a lot of many harmful gases. So it is very bad for us, and we all know that pollution is very bad for us. And when I burn plastic, it produces a lot of gases. So it is very bad for our health because it produces a lot of diseases as BP, heart attack, and skin related diseases. And when I throw plastic in a road and many streets, then when animals eats plastic, animal eats plastic, so it is very bad for animals because animals eats plastics, then he cannot survive easily. And at last, I want to say that plastic decreases our life.
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is Sanjay Singh. I am from Kanpur. I have completed my graduation this year from Kanpur University. My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. And in my free time, I like to play cricket and read books also. I want to join Indian Air Force because at early age we get a chance to serve our nation and improve the economical condition of our family also. Now I come to the topic. Topic is water crisis. We all know that water is the life of every creature, and it is very necessary for all. And in the 71% part of our earth has water, but there is little bit water that is for drinking. The water level of drinking water is decreasing day by day. There are many reasons like deforestation and pollution and inequality in weathers. So we should try to stop these things, and we should save water for our future generation, and the we should save water by using we should save first rainwater, because rainwater is the very necessary for all over for all